Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this one require checking continuity and differentiability on the given interval to find the correct function. Let us solve this quickly right now. The mean value theorem requires continuity on the closed interval. Option A has vertical asymptotes at pi over 2. Option C is undefined at x equals 2, which is problematic. Option D is an absolute value function. It has a sharp corner at x equals 5, where the derivative fails to exist. This violates the differentiability requirement of the theorem. Option B is a rational function. Its only discontinuity is at x equals 10, which is outside our interval. Thus, it is continuous and differentiable on the entire interval today. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid asymptotes and corners by fixing domain gaps and checking for smoothness on the interval.